Hello guys, it's Seba Maths Lab here, and today I'll show you guys understanding fractions for grade 4s. Now, I'll really appreciate it if you guys subscribe and like, because this is my first ever video, okay? What are fractions? A fraction shows equal part sides of a whole, or parts of a whole. Color this image so you shade 5 and leave 3 blank. Guys, let's do this together. So let's first do the first. Color the first one. This is 1. And then this is 2, right guys? And then this is 3, right? And then this is 4. This is 5. Now we left 3 blank, alright guys? Now since we left 3 blank, we do 3 plus 5, which is 8. That's the total parts that we have, which makes it the denominator, alright? And then the parts that we already shaded, or the parts that we have, is 5. So that gives us a fraction of 5 and 8. I'll explain how we get this, but just wait. What is a whole? A whole of a fraction is when you shade the entire thing in, or you eat all the pizza. 1. Number 1 is a whole, like a full part because it's entirely covered in. Number 2 is 2 halves of a whole, or also known as 2 over 2, because all of them are colored in. And then it's still equal with 1, a whole, right guys? And then 3/3 of a whole is like 2 halves of a whole. All 3 of them are colored in, so it's also represented as 3/3. Okay, guys? Numerator and denominator. Now, this is a main part, so you might want to pay attention. A numerator is the top, the parts we have, and the denominator is the bottom, the total parts, or like the whole. This is an example: 3/4, 1, 2, 3 over 4, which is one empty one, which makes it 3 over 4, because 4 is the whole or the total of it, right guys? And then 3 is the total of unshaded parts that we have, which gives us 3, all right guys? Fractions on the number line. Fractions on the number line are points found between whole numbers standing for parts of a whole. So what this means is that you can find parts of the fraction by looking on the number line, or the number line is another way or reference to how do you find that numbers on the number line. Like this, from 0 to 1, we have numbers in between, but the numbers in between are classified as decimals or fractions. Now it's trivia time. Let me give you a number. 1, 4. Now tell me, what is a denominator and which part of it is the denominator? And what is a numerator? Alright guys, I'll let you pause the video and answer that. Okay, I think that's time. A denominator is the bottom part of it, right guys? So that'll make it 4 and the total parts we have. So if we were to draw a circle and then we split into 4 parts, that's the total parts, right guys? And then we shade 1 in, which is 1 over 4, which makes the numerator 1, because that's the top and the parts we have. Alright guys? And then number 3, what is a whole? Number 4, what are fractions? I'll let you guys pause the video and answer this one as well. Okay, now what is a whole? A whole is the total part of the fraction, like the full circle or all of them, right? So you see this circle with I colored 1, the whole will be all of it colored in, right? Which will make it 4 over 4, right guys? And 4 over 4 is also the same thing as 1 because it's one whole over it all. Okay, guys? And then what are fractions? This is the first question. Fractions are the parts, equal parts of a whole. As you can see like this, 1/4. this is a fraction because it's equal and it's part of the whole. All right, guys? And then this relates to the first question, because remember I said 5/8. 5/8, the denominator is 8 and the numerator is 5. And then the whole is 8/8, right, guys? And then that is equivalent to 1. Summary. Today we learned about fractions and the basics. In later videos, we will dive deeper into these topics, all right? And now, can you guys help me out? Look, I don't want to be a pain, but could you guys subscribe and like and share this video to your friends? Peace out, Seba Math Lab.